Is that your dog?
That's Hobson, yeah. He'll calm down.
Hobson, is he in the room?
Hobson, come here.
Oh my God.
Hang on,
The podcast will be over if you get
It will
in here.
be.
I'm just going to talk to the
Hang on,
dog.
let me get him. One sec.
Well, it looks like I'm hosting Jason Reed's podcast with me, Jason Reed, and me, Tom Walker.
I've distracted him with his toy.
Little
Here he is.
Hobson.
Hobson.
Hello, little Hobson.
Hey.
Hello.
There
He's
he
a
goes.
beauty.
He's a lovely boy.
He
Here
is
he
a
is.
beauty. Hello.
He's a rescue dog.
Oh wow! You've had him a wee while now.
Since October.
Since October.
So quite recent. He's quite old. He's about 10 to 12.
Oh, brilliant.
We don't know his backstory.
Yeah.
But he's a daft bugger, but he's just lovely.
Oh, I always used to be a cat person, and I still am in so many respects. But I don't know. In the last few years, like I go mad walking around the park because there's just a dog and another dog and another dog, and me and my girlfriend have this awful thing that I've always spoken for dogs. I've always, well, hello, I'm a dog. I've always done that, but since at the start of lockdown, if you went out, the only people that were out were joggers and people with their
Dog
dogs,
walkers,
right?
yeah.
And so me and my girlfriend have this phrase. We just every time we'd see a dog, you'd just go, "I'm allowed out. I'm allowed out," because the dogs were allowed out, right?
Yeah.
And then that just turned into "I'm a dog." So now I just walk down the street and every dog, and they all got the same voice, this sort of slightly posh, silly voice. Every dog I see is I'm a dog, and I'm a really good dog, actually. So yeah, I mean, it's walking around the park that's all I do. Just talk as if I'm a dog.